Now we're going to start our project, and to do so we're going to grab the starting code from a GitHub repository. You'll just need to head to github.com/readbarger/fluttershare. From there you'll click on the clone or download button. You can either bring in this project using git clone or you can download it as a zip file. I'd personally recommend downloading it as a zip file, so we'll select that. And I'm going to bring this onto my desktop and unzip it. And after doing that, we can delete the original zip file, and I'm going to rename the folder with all of our project code as just Fluttershare. Then we can bring that into our code editor. Now if you're opening this up in VS Code, you should get a pop-up in the bottom right hand corner recommending for you to get all the packages now, so we'll select that. You can alternatively run the command flutter packages get in order to bring them in. All of the packages listed in the pubspec.yaml file. If that's successful, we should see in output the line exit code 0. And now we can run our project. So let's open up a simulator or emulator. Again, I'm going to be using the Flutter VS Code extension. So I'll select Flutter Launch Emulator. And I'm going to be running my project primarily on an iOS simulator, so I'll select that. Once that opens up and is connected, I'll run a new debug session and select Dart and Flutter as my environment. And if everything starts up successfully, you should see the text "Hello World" on your home screen. Note that this process of running your application isn't a perfect one. You may have to restart your code editor, rerun the debugger, restart the simulator, or for example, you may have a device that's attached to your computer that you need to remove in order for it to run correctly. So be aware of that, but if you see the text "Hello World," we're ready to move on to the next step, and we're going to take a look at all the files and different packages that we have within our app and how we're going to make use of them.